Barely.
This mine's so blurry.
That's just that.
Y ese día que yo ya me muera.
That makes it two.
That makes it two right there.
I mean, how many more they got left?
There's 3 lines. 1, 2, 3.
They
On the
still have
last
to,
pole.
they still have the security.
That alignment looks like it's on the fan, but it's not, right?
No.
Or the fan. What
The
do you call it?
windmill.
Windmill. The fan. See, now he's going up. Oh, he released it already?
Now he can't come back to the last one.
What are those two, the cranes right there that have 2 and 2?
Those are linemen.
No, the cranes are over there where I'm pointing
They're
at.
holding it up.
They're holding it up.
Yeah, they got like a pole going across, so he won't hit the ground. You can't see the pole right now, can you?
Um,
The piece of, in between both of them,
there's a pole between. Oh, yeah.
that keeps the line from falling on the ground.
On the ground. Oh, wow.
This is a bad man on the chopper. Well, he's done. He's done.
It's done.
Mm-hmm.